Let's identify some ordered pair or some integer ordered pairs on our graph. So there's one, and there's one. And we're going to use those points to find the slope. Now, we know the slope is positive because the line goes up to the right, so it's going to be a positive slope. And we go up 4 to the right 3, up 4, right 3. So the slope will be 4/3. And we're going to use that slope and one of the points in the graph to find the equation. Let's use this point right here. I believe that's 2, 3. We're going to plug it into point slope form. So that means in for the y here, we're going to plug in 3 right there. 2 is going to go in for this x over here. And 4/3 is going to be in for m. So now we have y minus the y coordinate 3 equals 4/3 parentheses x minus the x coordinate, which is 2. So right now, let's take y minus 3 equals, let's do 4/3 times x, 4/3 x, distributive property right here, and 4/3 times -2. So let's take 4 times -2, that's -8, and then just put it over 3. Because now we're going to get rid of our fraction by multiplying everything by 3. Right, so 3y minus 3 times 3, that's going to be 9, equals, now these 3's cancel out, so you just get 4x, and these 3's cancel out, so you just get -8. Next step in the process to get y by itself is to add 9 to both sides. So now we get 3y equals 4x, -8 plus 9 is +1. Last step to get y by itself is to divide everything by 3. So now y equals 4/3 x plus 1/3. That would be your answer. Or you could have y equals 4/3 x, and then 1 divided by 3 is 0.3 repeating. That's another possible answer. And if you look at 0.3 repeating, your y-intercept, does that seem reasonable? Well, this is where it's crossing the y-axis, and I think 0.3 repeating or 1/3 seems reasonable.